Hey, what's up, guys? I just ask you one question. Do you want to get paid for posting posts or stories on Instagram? It doesn't matter how many followers you have. If you has a large follower base, you get paid lots of money. If you has small, you get paid small amount based on your social capital score, guys. It sounds like crazy and weird. Was till in for 5 more, guys. Okay guys, what do you expect from this video? This video is all about I showed the one app or one website. You get paid for posting Instagram stories, guys, and post. You get paid lots of money with this, guys, and it's available worldwide no matter where are you from. And it's only PayPal money, guys. It's sent within 24 hours, guys. Once you post a post on Instagram, you get paid, guys. It's easy money, just as usual you do daily. You can do for getting paid, guys. It's easy money. Just dive into this video. Before diving into this video, I'd like to invite to subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button, share with your friends, and comment below, guys. Don't forget to like, guys. Let's dive into this video. Okay guys, this website or this app is called mnfest, guys. mnfsc.com. It's pronounced like so weird. I'll leave a link in description, guys, for you. Go to this and watch and click and come this website, guys. It's easy. Yes, this website is based look like this, guys. We already see this is the posting popping around. People are making $122 and withdraw PayPal money, guys. It's easy. Create and get reward. Raise your influence, guys. This company helps to influence your or monetize your users following, guys. It's easy. If you has a lot of followers, you can get paid lots of money, guys. It's easy. Just scroll down how it's work, guys. MNFST is based on social lifestyle app, guys, which helps to people become better creator and benefit for the most valuable asset, guys. Assets is called followers, like support a charity cause they care about, guys. It's just simple three step, guys. Create your brand, post on social media like Instagram, get paid within 24 hours, guys, via PayPal. It's nothing like any complicated gift card. It's just a PayPal, real hard cold cash, guys. Stay tuned for more. I show the proof of this website, guys. Just scroll down. This is you can withdraw instantly, guys. As I told you earlier, you just post, you get paid, guys. There are almost 330 to $100, guys, paid out for every influencer, guys. There are some influencers are here. Some of people are making good amount of money with this, guys. Just to 1.11 cent per post, guys. If you had a small follower or if you had a large amount of follower, get paid about $50 or $28 per post or per story, guys. You can insert a Twitter or Facebook, guys, but mainly focus on Instagram because Instagram is highly trafficked, becoming blowing in 2020, guys. I show many method to make Instagram, guys. Stay tuned for more and hit the subscribe button for that, guys. And this is how valuable, guys. Just if you want get this, click your put your number and get this app, guys. It's available worldwide, guys, no matter where you're from. You see, guys, it's available worldwide, every country here, guys. So no matter where you're from and what users, guys. This is some testimonial from Google Play Store. I show how's the ratings about, guys. Stay tuned for that. And this is best app, guys. You can make easy money, guys. Just to post, you get paid easy as you think, guys. There is also 24/7 support, customer support, guys. If you have any questions, you can ask this company and get clear, guys. It's easy as you think. There is a many company working with, guys. Do you see charities? If you want donate to charities, donate this charity, guys, or brands. Anna, Bolt, Yandex Taxi, these are the top brands are working with MNFST, guys. Just this press. And if you want Q&A, what is the main purpose of MNFT, guys? Sorry for the pronunciation. I don't know what's pronunciation is this. Just MNFST. I should pronunciation like that, guys. If you want to go with anywhere, this app is created for influence the user follower, guys. I'm making some charity amount, guys. If you want donate to charity, donate, guys. Or if you can get paid via PayPal, get paid, guys. This app just to promote you, guys. And how you calculate your payment per post, guys. Just easily how much followers you have. It's basically calculate to give a social capital scores, guys. Based on the capital score, you get paid money, guys. If you had a best capital score, you can get paid lots of money with this, guys. As you see, easy. And what payment method this company support, guys? This company support PayPal and Revolt, guys. Everybody has a PayPal account. You can withdraw 24 hours, guys. As I told you earlier, once you put a post, you can get paid, guys. And this is the app, guys. If you want, get click your number and get app, guys. Let's go to the app store. And how much rating this apps gets, guys. This is the apps look like, guys. 4.1 out of 5, guys. It's easy. Rise your influencer. Go to app store, get, guys. Do you see, guys, people are making good amount of money with this, guy. Withdraw instantly. Just it's available worldwide, guys. Let's go to this apps play store, guys. This is eye catching app look like, guys. It's like a good company or legitimate company, guys. You can make lots of money with this. Just 3.9 out of 5, guys. I don't know why it's happening. And this is a Play Store review, guys. Let's show, as I told earlier, I show the proof for you, guys. And I found this form for you, guys. This guy received 1.11 cents for per post, guys, for Instagram per post. This is the proof, guys. Proof I show you. This is the proof. You can get paid easily, guys, just per post. This app is absolutely killing the Instagram influencing marketing, guys. If you had a small follower, don't worry, you can get paid too, guys. And if you like this video, hit the subscribe button. I think this video helps to make some amount of money for upcoming 2020. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, share with your friends and comment below, guys. Thanks for watching. Make money online. Peace.